Thank you. This is a public meeting on Thursday, August 8th, 2024, 3 p.m. at Council Chambers. This is a public meeting held under Section 34 of the Planning Act is declared open. The application on the public meeting agenda today is for public consultation purposes only and will be addressed in future council meetings. At this time, I will ask staff to please confirm that the required notice was given for the subject application in accordance with the requirements of the Planning Act.
I can confirm that notice was given in accordance with the requirements of the Planning Act.
Thank you. All those present at the public meeting will have the opportunity to speak in favor or in opposition of the application. Any and all comments, information submitted, whether orally or in writing, including identifying information, becomes part of public record and could be made publicly available at any point, including on the Township's website and other electronic forms of publications in accordance with the Planning Act requirements. Any person wishing to receive notice of decision regarding the application being considered must send an email to the Township office immediately following this meeting, and in all cases must be received prior to the date of the decision of the Council on the matter. Pursuant to the provisions of the Planning Act, the rights and the limitations of appeal to the Ontario Land Tribunal with respect to the decision of Council on the application are as follows. A person or public body may file an appeal with the Ontario Land Tribunal within 20 days of issuance of the notice of decision. The person or public body must submit the required form of appeal to the Township, which shall include the required information and explanation of the reasons for the objecting to the decision, in addition to paying the required fees as set out on the Ontario Land Tribunal Act. If any person or public body does not make an oral submission at the public meeting or make written submission to the Township in respect to the application before the approval authority passes or refuses to pass the proposed amendment, the person or public body may not be added as a party to the hearing of the appeal before the Ontario Land Tribunal, unless, in the opinion of the tribunal, there are reasonable grounds to do so. At this time, I will ask staff to please describe the purpose of effect of the proposed zoning bylaw amendment related to file number Zulu Bravo 2406.1, submitted by Warren. How do you say that? His first? Havoraka Atlock. And summarize any written comments received. Sorry.
So this application is related to 575 Kennedy Road, which is located in part of Lot 19, Concession 1 in the geographic township of Blythefield. The property is currently zoned highway commercial under our current township zoning bylaw 28/2024. The subject lands are approximately 0.26 hectares, which is just shy of an acre at 0.65 acres in area, with approximately 63.8 meters of frontage on Kennedy Road and an approximate lot depth of 53.5 meters. Presently, the lands are vacant. So the purpose of the proposed zoning bylaw amendment is to rezone these lands to permit the construction of a single detached dwelling supported by private servicing. And the lands are being rezoned from highway commercial to rural. The future development of these lands will comply additionally with all of the provisions of the township zoning bylaw. And additionally, we have received no written comments. Thank you.
Thank you. Do we have anybody online today? We do not. Okay, so does the applicant or the representative wish to speak in regards to the application? Seeing no one present and no one else online, does anyone wish to speak in favor of the amendment? Seeing no one present or online. Does anyone wish to speak in opposition of the amendment? Seeing no one present and no one online. This therefore completes the public meeting process. Council will give careful consideration to the comments, or lack thereof, received on the application before it. If there are no further comments from any council members, I declare this public meeting closed. Thank you for your time. It is 3:05. Thank you.